Good morning, class 7. I'm Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we'll discuss about chapter 14, that is electric current and its effects. As per my knowledge, this chapter is already discussed, but still some part of it or one topic is there for revision, that is magnetic effect of current. In this chapter, you will learn how electric current will create certain types of effects, heating effects and other ways are there. And today we are going to discuss about the magnetic effect of current. So here, to understand this, first of all, we are going to perform an activity that is 14.5. So here what we are doing, we are taking the cardboard from a discarded matchstick or a used matchstick. We just take the cardboard, take a magnetic needle and put inside that cardboard and wrap the cardboard with electric wire. So after doing this work, just attach these two ends of wires with a cell. Cell we already know. So with a cell, when we attach, before starting this activity, take a magnet and take that magnet close to the magnetic needle which is into the cardboard, matchstick cardboard. So as you bring the magnet to the needle, compass of needle, you will see that it will start moving, because we all know that it is a magnet itself and it is always in the north-south direction. And as you bring the other magnet close to that magnet, so we all know that opposite side repulse each other and opposite side attract each other and same side repulse each other. So same side repulse and opposite sides attracts. So whenever you bring another magnet close to that magnet, it will start moving or changing its position or it start deflecting. So remove that magnet, and now we are going to start our experiment. So attach the two wires with a cell and then make the circuit on by make the switch on. So as you make the switch on, you will find that the magnetic needle start moving from its position. A little bit deflection will be there, must. And if you off the circuit, then also it will stop. Again, if you take on it, it will start moving. So it will become a magical thing. Whenever you on, it will move. Whenever circuit is off, it is also not moving. So what is happening in this whole experiment? What is happening? So there was a scientist called Hans Christian Ørsted. You learn a whole lot of things about this scientist Ørsted in your higher classes. Here we are only able to understand about this experiment and about this scientist. So this scientist is the very first person who noticed this deflection of magnet because of the flowing of electric current through a wire which is close to that magnet. So it was his conclusion that whenever electricity flow through a wire, it will create a magnetic field, it will create a magnetic effect. And this is called the magnetic effect of electric current. And this is called the magnetic effect of electric current. So this is our topic for today, that we have to understand how this effect will work in our how can we understand this magnetic effect of current. So we understand, I hope you understand the whole activity, that if through a wire current is flow, it will starts behaving like a magnet, and if another magnet is close to that wire, it will starts movement, because we know same poles always repulse, opposite poles always attract, opposite poles attract, same poles repulse. So the magnetic needle start deflecting or moving. But remember, if you leave the battery on, the magnet will take all the power from the cell. So by using this principle, people or the scientist will produce several type of huge electromagnets, and they use those magnets in their daily life. And the best example of daily life magnet is electric bell, which is already discussed by our principal sir, Dr. Aryan Sen. I hope you are able to understand that, because this is not our topic today, that is how to make an electromagnet, or how to the mechanism or working principle of the electric bell. This is not our topic today. Our topic is only magnetic effect of current. So I hope you are able to understand about the magnetic effect of current, that whenever current flows through a wire, a little bit magnetic effect is start working in the areas of that wire. I mean the close proximity areas of that wire, some magnetic effect will be produced. So I hope you are able to understand this activity and the magnetic effect of current. So class, have a good day, be safe at home. Thank you.